how to install this script, which is an all-in-one project management, HR management, CRM, and POS system solution. It's an all-in-one solution, very, very massive software that you can use to manage your project. You can use it for POS system. You can use it to manage your leads. You can use it for accounting management. You can use it for sales management. You can use it for HR management. You can use it for CRM. It's a very massive software that any company that does any big company should have, and you can use to sustain your business basically. So let's quickly do a quick overview and look at the software. This software is very affordable. This is a license fee, which is $69. Very affordable for something as massive as that. So let's quickly get a look at the view of the software, and then you get to see how the software works. So this is the guys that built the software. So let's check out the demo of the software. So this is the demo of the software. You can log in to check out the admin. So let's log in to check out the admin of this software. The cool thing about this software also is that you can buy this software and sell the SES system to companies, and have them help them manage their HRM solution and all of that. You can see total companies here 9, and then they will pay you subscription plans. This is the plan settings here. $500 per year to enable them and use all the CRM, HRM, project management solution. It also has ChatGPT as well integrated. So this is where you manage everything, set up everything as the admin of this software. So let's log out and check out the other parts of the software. Okay, that is just the landing page. Another thing you should know is for this kind of software, let's say you purchase it and then you want to customize it, make it look exactly like your brand, brand it to your taste, move some things over to another place, all of those stuff. You can use the hire me link in the description to reach out to me to help you do that. So let's look at you can see the accounting system here. You can manage the HRM system, you can manage it here, the CRM system, manage the project management, POS system. You can see all of them here. Then you can manage users, manage Zoom meetings for leads, all of those stuff. It's all here. This is a very massive software that any company can use. It's a very good software. So you can try it out. It's quite affordable, very affordable. So there's a non-SAS version and there's a SAS version. The one I just checked out now is the SAS version of the solution, and it is just $69. You can also, just resell the solution to others by just buying your own system and then installing it for businesses. This complete solution for businesses. So let's go into how to install it and install it. So I have the software here. Software is here, and it is very essential you buy the script and the license. The software is here. For you, all you have to download all the files and documents, and also the PDF file or the text file. So once you have downloaded it, I have the downloaded file here on my PC. So I have downloaded file here. You can see it here. So once you've downloaded it, the next thing you want to do is on the okay, this is the license. This is my license, and this is this is the script file. Where is the script file? So I think I have downloaded it. Alright, this is the script. This is the license file. I don't think I've downloaded the file or the script. So let me just download it. Once I've downloaded it, and then we can continue from there. So I'm gonna quickly download the script file. It takes less than 7 minutes to download. After downloading them, I'll go ahead and unzip the folder. So while that is ongoing, while download is ongoing, let's go and get the domain and hosting set up. So for the domain and hosting, I would recommend you use Azure hosting. Now, another thing I would like you to know is by the time you want to purchase this software, this ERPGo software, I would recommend you use an affiliate link that I have in the description, because this gives me a bonus and encourages me to do more on this kind of video. So please use the affiliate link. I have an affiliate link for this particular script. I'm partnering with them to promote their software for them. And please kindly use the affiliate link in the description when you are making the purchase. It doesn't affect your price, it doesn't change your price. You still be purchasing at the exact price here. This regular license price $69. So we are just helping a brother here by using the affiliate link to make the purchase. So let's go to the domain and segment. So I recommend this particular website for domain purchase and hosting purchase. So why I recommend this is the hosting fee for this platform is just $1 per month. Very, very affordable. Another thing I'd like to also tell you here is for the hosting here and the domain purchase that you're purchasing here, please use my affiliate link for this website as well. Use it in the description. Affiliate link in the description to make a purchase for you. For this helps me get a bit of a commission and encourages me to do more of this kind of videos. So once for you to buy your hosting and domain plan, just register and create an account, and then I'll just click view plans, and by the time you click the view plans, then you select the plan. Another thing I need you to be sure you do when you are selecting your plan is select the cPanel plan, cPanel, and then you pick the yearly plan, which is the best. So that would equivalent to $13.79, and then you select order now for your hosting, and then you purchase the domain as well. And this server is so good. It's 2x CPU allocation. There's unlimited for SSL, 15 email accounts, 15 websites. It's very, very good. Now, if you want something better and bigger than this, you can also go for this plan here, which is $99 per year. It's also very affordable and also very good. The cool thing about this is it's unlimited. It's unlimited. Unlimited a joke. Or you go for this one, which is the best of the best. And the best for this kind of software due to this the number of software that was combined all in one. So unlimited. But the cool thing is each of these three they all work. But if you want your website to work very fast, I recommend this one. If you want it to work and probably you are just using it for one business, one company, use this one. You are using it for 2 to 3, use this one. You are using it for more, use this one. So or you can start with this one and then upgrade later to this one and then to this one. So whichever one works for you. Now I already have an account and I will be using a subdomain. So I'll just go to my cPanel. For me, just find your client area and then log into your then also quickly to go to your cPanel. And then once you are in your cPanel, for me, I'll be creating a subdomain. I'll be using a subdomain for this. So I'll just search for domain, and then I will create a domain. So I'll create a domain, and then from the domain I'll just pick. I have a lot of domains connected here, so I'll just pick one of the domains that I usually use. I think is this guy here. Let me check it out. There's something there. I want to see if I can use a name domain. Hold on a second. I'm trying to check the folder. Alright, this seems like an empty domain I could use for this. So I'll just use this domain for this. Let me see if this domain is still active. So I'm sure this domain is active. Okay, the domain is still active. So I'm just going to use this domain here because I have nothing there. So let me quickly go and check my download if it's complete. It's complete. Then I open the file. This is the file in the folder, and then I unzip it. And then oh, I don't need to unzip it here. But I'll just go and upload the file directly here in my cPanel folder. Select the file, edit the downloads, select it, and then open. And then it uploads. So while this is ongoing, I'll go and create my DB, my database credentials that I'll be using for this installation. Another thing I'd like to let you know is that while you are doing this, there are also information you can use to guide you to install any other script that probably makes yourself with. So there is always a documentation to guide you in every script on Code Canyon. This is one of the secrets of installing scripts, or maybe you want to buy another script in the future and you want to understand how the installation process is done. So there is always a document in the file that is called documentation that guides you step by step on how to install the script. So if by chance I hit a snag while installing this, I'll just go back there to check it out. So I'm going to unzip this file so I can have access to that unzip file and find documentation and check it out. Most times it's always an index file, or it's always a URL that redirects you to a website where you can check out the documentation. So you always find the file inside the unzipped folder. You can see the documentation. So this is a txt file, just a plain text file. Okay, so it's actually a URL. So it says go to this URL to get the documentation. What I have to do is copy this URL and then take it to my browser to check the documentation of this software. So while that is loading, let me check the file I am uploading to see if it has finished uploading. Wow, it's very slow. My upload speed is very slow. This might take a while, so let me just pause this video here and continue once it's finished. Oh, I see why it's because I have a lot of files I'm uploading at the moment to my Google Drive. So I think that's why the speed is slow. I have to pause those stuff I'm uploading. You can see here I have some files that I'm uploading. Let me just still chatting in my upload speed is very slow at the moment. So I'm going to pause here and continue. So here is the documentation. So you can look at it and then just refer back to it for any information you need. Oh, another thing I forgot to do, so we're going to do is create a database. So to create a database, just go to your database, to create a database. So go to database to create a database. Then for you to create a database, just give it any name for the new database. Let's call it ERPGo. ERPGo create. And then database name is created. You can see it here. And you want to create the username, so I call it ERPGo 1. Then for the password, it's password generator. Copy, copy it and then use the password. And I'll just put the password somewhere here, just for safekeeping. Safekeeping there. And then I'll create the user for the database. Now I'll add my user and the database together. The user is able to access the database, and the database, so connect them together. So it's user is ERPGo 1 and then ERPGo for database. Then I'll join them together, give it all privileges to access, and then make changes. Once that is done, I have my user and database name. So once that is solved, I go back to my uploads. This is still very slow, so I'm going to stop here for now and then continue after this is completed. Basically, once the upload is done, for you to do the install, once the upload, because it might take a while, and I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to come back to this video because my attention span is very slow. So once this is done, all you have to do is just pick your domain name. What is your domain name? Just pick it. This is the domain name. Pick it and then put it here and then slash install. And then this will automatically run the process. Then the rest is just down here to take you to. Once that is done, it takes you to this wizard here that you are seeing here. You see this first. Once you input that code, you see this first. And then after that is done, it will take you to this one. Ensure everything here is checked. If it's not checked, then use the IRM link in the description for you to help me set it, for me to help you set this up. I'll charge you for you to set this up basically on your server. So once that is done, it will take you to this next step where you input your app name. Just put any name there. Don't change anything here for this local host. And then input your database name. Database username. So this is these two things here. This is the user and then this is database name. Copy it and paste it here. Username and name, and then click install. Once that is done, say installation finish, and then you'll be able to access your website afterwards. So it's as simple and as straightforward as that. So if you have any questions, any requirement, anything you want to ask, just use the IRM link in the description. I'm here anytime. Don't forget to use my affiliate link. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video for anyone who or any company you feel who needs it. And the cool thing, another thing I'd like to share with you is that what I do basically is I build mobile apps and websites. I build scripts, I install scripts, I customize scripts. So some of my works, this is project I'm working on. It's a learning management system for Quran memorization. So I'm sure I'll put it. It's one of my projects. Another one is this. It's a task platform, task creation platform. I put entry referral system. This is another project. This is another project that I. This is a customized project for another client. Um, ambient themes. This is the actual. Um, it's a network website that I did. This is it. This is not the actual domain I use. It's just the the place I built it on temporary before I transferred it to the main domain. So you can see it there. That's the login page. It's unique. It's a customized script. The script name is Streamit. I was customized on a native which I like website. So and there are lots of other customization I've done in the past for a lot of clients. So don't forget to use the URL IAME link in the description to reach out if you want to build a project. I'm here anytime. See you next one. Bye.